This video is about the IKEA Nordmarke wireless charger. This is the one with the textile finish, and I got this from the special offer zone. 35% almost. Not a bad price, from 9.99 euro to 650k. I wasn't sure if it's working, so I had to try to see if it really is working. And they have these offers. These are returned products, or something happened to the packaging, it was damaged or something. It's only the charger. This is the wireless charger type E 2011 Nordmarke, input 5 volts, 2 amps, output 5 watts maximum. This is from IKEA. It's not a fast charger by any means, but it's a nice device to have. Place your phone in the car or at home and it charges while it's sitting. It uses USB-C, so this is great. And they have cheaper versions of these chargers, but they're made of just plain plastic. This has this textile finish. I think this one is the nicest one, but okay. If it wasn't in the discount zone, I would probably buy just the simple one, the plastic ones, if they had them in stock, which they don't. It's only online. They have these chargers. They only have them on stock online, not in the shop, which is a bit of a shame. When I went to the offer zone, I was looking for something else, and I was surprised to see one of these chargers there, so I took it. And you see, now this is a screen recording of the phone. While I place it on the charger, the phone starts to charge. When you use this charger, it will not do a fast charge with the phone, wireless fast charge, but it does work, and it also has this status LED light, and it seems to turn off if it's not used, if you don't place the phone on it.
Not charging.
Yeah.
Now charging.
Now it was charging. And it seems to turn off, which would be perfect, so I don't want it to be on all the time. Yeah, that remains to be seen. Let me know in the comment section below if you have one of these chargers and what do you think of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.